What's up, everybody? Last pass on 7S was a 154. See what we can do today. Picking up on that car. Sorry, I think my camera's crooked, but take places. Ready? Clear? Here we go. Come on, wind. Give me a break. Got on top of that yellow line, got kind of nervous up top, so let's see how it did. We shall see what it did. Hopefully better than 154. It may have been, definitely may have been. We're gonna find out. Picking up on that car. Stop. Read. 158. Yes. I knew it. On 7S, buddy. 2 miles an hour away from 160 on 7S, dude. That is incredible. Awesome. 5,243 feet. All right, baby. That is a 7S PB. And so close. So close, man. A little bit better of a run would be doing awesome on that run. But let's break her down here. Wait a minute. Let's check something before I forget. Records. Valid. 158. 5,243 feet. Sweet deal. 0, 0, 158. Just leave it on that one. Awesome. First, check this. So y'all see the functioning deal. Let's do this first. Show you all that it's 7S. I changed the 4S pack out from the last run. So there you go. 28.7, 28.6 on that one. And I'm into my old capacitor pack leads that I had in the car. So here I'm going to show you this real quick. That's my positive. Let me shut this off. There we go. Here's my negative. I back this one out a little bit. I'm going to show you all on this one. So you can see they're in series over here. So here's my negative, my positive, 28.7. There you go, 1.6 is the battery voltage. And to go a little bit further, we're going to check this cell count on here. Trying to rush, just make these videos a little bit shorter. Where is it? Total 4S 16.49. Cell count here I'm shaking. I cannot believe I just went 158 on 7S. Total 12.3. Shout out goes to Gio. Jaboya Racing, brother. Thank you. Last pass was a 158. 5,243 feet. See if we can beat it. Records deleted. Picking up on that car. Take your time, Miss Daisy. Come on, dude. Where? Here we go. I know. Force a habit. Oh man. Was that a pass or what? Woo-wee. It's eating my hand. Stop it. Ah, that was nerve-wracking. One heck of a pass though, I'll tell you that much. Whew. Had a hard time keeping that one together. See if we beat 158. Picking up on that car. Stop. Read. 161, baby! Yes! Dude, look at that! You walked away from me. Look at it! 161! I don't believe it. Oh, man. 5,069 feet, ladies and gentlemen. Awesome! We are still pushing 7S, buddy. And the same exact batteries I was running on the wait a minute. Let me pause for a second. Records. Valid pass. 161. 0. 0. Valid. 161. All right. I don't believe it. The 1650 Castle motor goes into the 160s again, and a whole cell count less. Get off of there. I don't believe it. So, y'all know, I explained these two ports on the previous video. So there you go. 28. It's in there. 28.7 volts. There. Undo my negative. Undo my positive. There you go. 28.54 right there. That is 7 volts. I'm going to shut it down real quick. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I did it. Oh no, I left my cell checker at home. Oh well, I ain't got my cell checker, but I can show you this so y'all can see that it's series. There you go. I'll show you this battery here. 16.4 volts. That's my 4S SRD pack, 8600 mile. Here is my 3S SRD that I fixed. This cord is not cooperating. There you go. 12.3. So there you go. Because I don't have the cell checker, or no, you know what? I have this. Still, a functioning heat temp gun. So there you go. I'm going to take a battery out of it. Check our voltage on the battery. I'm shaking because I knew that was one heck of a pass, man. I center. Full send mode, buddies. 1.6. So there you go. You know that the voltmeter has not been fangled with. And that, my friends, is a 161. The Castle 1650 and 1717 does it again. Into the 160s on 7S. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.